students, welcome everyone. I shall start my class Joint Entrance, IIT and Indian Entrances of Mathematics Trigonometry. Trigonometrical identities, compound and multiple angles, I shall start. Now, number 1, you have known that the formula of multiple and compound and trigonometric identities. Now, number 1, theta vary and alpha fixed. The expression cos theta sin theta sin square theta plus sin square alpha root under lies between lies between 1 plus sin square alpha minus and 1 plus sin square alpha plus. Now, let y equal to cos theta sin theta plus sin square theta plus sin square alpha. Now, on simplifying, y minus cos theta sin theta whole square cos square theta sin square theta plus sin square alpha, or y square minus 2y sin theta cos theta plus sin square theta cos square theta equal to sin square theta cos square theta plus sin square alpha cos square theta. Cancel, this is next. Adding cos square theta to both sides, we have y square minus 2y sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta equal to cos square theta 1 plus sin square alpha. Dividing cos square theta both sides, so 1 plus tan square, because 1 by cos square theta, that means sec square theta. Sec square theta, we know the mathematical identity is 1 plus tan square theta minus 2y tan theta plus 1 equal to 1 plus sin square alpha, or y square minus 2y tan theta y square minus 2y tan theta plus y square minus 2y tan theta plus y square tan square theta plus 1 equal to 1 plus sin square alpha. Now, y tan theta minus 1 whole square equal to 1 plus Sin square alpha minus y square. Obviously, because y square tan square theta minus 2y tan theta plus 1 equal to y tan theta minus 1 whole square, and transposing y square to right hand side, and we have 1 plus sin square alpha minus y square. So obviously this is always time y tan theta minus 1 whole square greater equal 0. Obviously theta belongs to R. Okay, therefore 1 plus sin square alpha minus y square greater equal 0. Y square 1 plus sin square alpha less equal 0. A greater equal B minus A less equal minus B, we know. So y square less equal 1 plus sin square alpha. Y less equal 1 plus sin square alpha. 1 plus sin square alpha. Hence, y lies between root under 1 plus sin square alpha and 1 minus root under 1 plus sin square alpha. Now, there are 4 multiple choice questions, number A, number B, number C, number D. And transforming y lies between 1 plus sin alpha minus root over 1 minus sin alpha. Different values of such, but the correct values of these y root under 1 plus sin square alpha minus root under 1 plus sin square alpha. Y less equal A or y square less equal A, that means y lies between plus A to minus A. Obviously. Now second question. This is finished here. Now second question will be if cos theta 1 by cos theta 2 sin theta 1 by sin theta 2 cos theta 0 by cos theta 2 sin theta 0 by sin theta 2 equal to 1, and theta 1 and theta 0 are not differ by pi by 2, and even multiple of pi, theta 1 and theta 0, theta 1, theta 0 do not differ even multiple of pi. So the value of cos theta 1 by cos theta 1 cos theta 0 by cos square theta 2 sin theta 1 sin theta 0 by Sine square theta 2. What is the value of this? There are 4 questions. There are 4 answers of this. Number A, 1. Number B, -1. Number C, 0. Number D, none of these. What is the correct answer of this? Follow that if we cos x by cos theta 2 plus sin x by sin theta 2 equal to 1, then putting the values of theta 0 and theta 0 and theta 1, then the conditions have satisfied. So theta 1 and theta 0 are the roots of the equation cos x by cos theta 2 plus sin x by sin theta 2 equal to 1. So suppose that the equation obviously suppose that cos x by cos theta 2 sin x by sin theta 2 equal to 1. Let if we put the cos theta 0 and theta 1 replacing x and we have the conditions, so cos x by cos theta 2 1 minus sin x by sin theta 2, squaring and on both sides, and we write this as the quadratic equation of sin x. So 1 minus sin square x cos square theta 2 equal to 1 minus 2 sin x sin theta 2 plus sin square x sin square theta 2, and transposing of this and rearranging the sin x as the quadratic equation obviously, and the properties of the quadratic equation, we maybe rewrite this transposing. So sin square x 1 by sin square theta 2 plus 1 by cos square theta 2 minus 2 sin x by sin theta 2 plus 1 minus 1 by cos square theta 2 equal to 0. Obviously, the product of the roots of the equation must be equal to the constant number, then coefficient of sin square x, obviously. No problem. This is the syllabus of 11 and secondary science. Let us suppose that because theta 0 and theta 1 are the roots of this equation, so obviously sin theta 0 and sin theta 1 equal to, this is the constant number and the coefficient of sin square x must be this. So write 1 minus 1 by cos square theta 2 divided by, and on simplification we have 1 by sin square theta 2 cos square theta 2. So obviously sin theta 0 and sin theta 1 equal to minus sin square theta 2 by cos square theta 2 into sin square theta 2 cos square theta 2. Cos square theta 2 cancel up and down, and sin square theta 2 taking on left side we have sin theta 0 sin theta 1 by sin square theta 2 equal to minus sin square theta 2. Obviously, if we If we arrange the quadratic equation cos x, similarly we maybe write cos theta 0 and cos theta 1 by cos square theta 2 equal to minus cos square theta 2. Now adding 2 and 3 and we have the desired result. Sin theta 0 sin theta 1 by sin square theta 2 cos theta 0 cos theta 1 by cos square theta 2 equal to minus 1. So this is the correct answer, minus 1. You tick mark them when the value of the expression must be minus 1, tick mark. This is the correct answer. Next problem. If A, B, C, K are all constants and alpha, beta vary, gamma vary, and the condition A tan alpha, B tan beta, C tan gamma equal to K. A tan alpha plus B tan beta plus C tan gamma equal to K. A, B, C are all constants. Alpha, beta, gamma vary. What is the minimum value of tan square alpha, tan square beta, tan square gamma? The minimum value of this, minimum A. Number A, there are 4 options. Number 1, K by A plus B plus C. Number 2, K square by A square plus B square plus C square. Number 3, K square by A plus B plus C. Number 4, none of these. What is the correct answer? Now you solve this mathematical expression. Firstly, if you know the process to solve the problem, then easily you solve, no problem. যদি তুমি ক্লাসে বসে এটা সলভ করতে চাও কখনোই পারবে না, এটা জেনে রাখতে হবে আগে থেকে, তাহলে কখনোই করা সম্ভব হবে না। তাহলে আমি এটাকে a স্কোয়ার প্লাস বি স্কোয়ার প্লাস সি স্কোয়ার ট্যান স্কোয়ার আলফা ট্যান স্কোয়ার বিটা ট্যান স্কোয়ার গামা, এটা একটা আইডেন্টি আকারে লেখা যায়। কি লেখা যায় না, বি ট্যান আলফা মাইনাস a tan beta b tan gamma minus c tan beta plus a tan gamma minus c tan alpha plus a tan alpha plus b tan beta plus c tan gamma You can simplify of these. This is the square, this is the square, this is the square, this is the square, and multiply, obviously equal. So this is the identics for any values of alpha, beta, gamma. We know that if k square greater equal 0, k is real number. Here, the minimum value of this k equal to 0 is the minimum value. So, and this is the constant value k. This is the constant value. So, putting k square. So, the minimum value of tan square alpha, tan square beta, tan square gamma, k square by a square plus b square plus c square. So write the tick mark of the correct answer. So k square by a square plus b square plus c square. You follow the board and always time this is identics. This is not equation. For any value of alpha, beta, gamma, this is satisfied. Always time. Next question. Next question. The value of 4 plus sec 20 by cosec 20. There are 4 options: root 3a, root 3, b minus root 3, c half, d minus half. Now on simplification we have sec 20, that means 1 by cos 20, and cosec 20 1 by sin 20. Putting the values of cos 20 plus 1 sin 20 by cos 20 and multiplying and taking the theorem of compound angle, we know that 2 sin a cos a, 2 sin a cos a sin 2a, a belongs to R. So 2 sin 40 plus sin 20 by cos 20. Again, sin 40 plus sin 20 means 2 sin 40 plus sin 20 means 2 sin 30 into cos 10 plus sin 40 by cos 20. Now sin 30 equal to half. So half into 2 cancel. So value will be cos 10 plus sin 40 means cos 50 by cos 20. So cos c जो cos d the formula 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So 2 cos 30 cos 20 by cos 20. Cancel. So root 3. This is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. If such problem may be such for tan any value, tan cot any value, and the numerical value must be other. So next problem. Firstly, you remember the compound and multiple angles, the theorems, and the basic conception sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1 when x belongs to real number. 1 plus tan square x equal to sec square x belongs to real number, x belongs to r minus 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, because cos pi by 3 equal to 0, cos 3 pi by 3 equal to 0, cos pi by 2 equal to 0, cos pi by 3 pi by 2 equal to 0, cos 5 pi by 2 equal to 0, and so on. And here n belongs to z. N belongs 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 and so on. So, through this conception, you must be solve the problems, such problems. Next, sin theta plus sin square theta, sin theta plus sin square theta plus sin cube theta 1. This is given. Theta here real. The value of cos to the power 6 theta 4 cos 4 theta plus 8 cos square theta. What is the value of this? There are four options: 4 plus 4 minus 4 plus 8 minus 8. Now it is very easy by basic conception of trigonometry. Now transposing this, sin theta plus sin cube theta whole square equal to cos square theta whole square. Now taking common sin theta and squaring, sin square theta 1 plus sin square theta whole square equal to cos to the power 4 theta. Sin square theta means 1 minus cos square theta, 2 minus cos square theta whole square equal to cos to the power 4 theta, obviously. Now multiplying and now 1 minus cos square theta 4 plus cos to the power 4 theta minus 4 cos square theta, on multiplying 4 plus cos to the power 4 theta minus 4 cos square theta minus 4 cos square theta minus cos to the power 6 theta plus 4 cos 4 theta equal to cos to the power 4 theta cos to the power 4 theta. Now cos to the power 6 theta minus 8 cos square theta minus 4 cos to the power 4 theta equal to minus 4. Now multiplying minus 1 to both sides, this is plus, cos to the power 6 theta 4 8 4 cos to the power 4 theta 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 cancel. So cos to the power 6 theta cos to the power 6 theta 4 8 cos square theta minus 4 cos to the power 4 theta equal to plus 4 minus cos 6 4. So obviously cos to the power 6 theta minus 4 cos 4 theta plus 8 cos square theta equal to 4. So this is the correct answer. Now the last question. Now the last question here. One by 1 plus tan square a by 2. 1 by 1 plus tan square b by 2. 1 by 1 plus tan square c by 2 equal to k. 1 plus sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2. What is the value of k? Where a, b, c are the angles of the triangle. A, b, c are the angles of the triangle. Now we know 1 plus tan square a by 2 equal to sec square a by 2, sec square b by 2, sec square c by 2. So 1 by sec square a by 2, that means cos square a by 2. 1 by 1 plus tan square b by 2, cos square b by 2. 1 by 1 plus tan square c by 2, cos square c by 2. So we write cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. We know from the identities. When A, B, C are the angles of the triangle, we know identities that equal to 2 into 1 plus sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. So comparing this and this. So here K obviously 2. So correct answer will be 2. তোমরা ফর্মুলাগুলো কিন্তু বারে বারে দেখতে হবে। ফর্মুলাগুলো দেখে কিভাবে অঙ্কটা করলাম সেটাকে ফলো করতে হবে এবং ওই ধরনের কত ধরনের অঙ্ক তৈরি হয় নিজেরাই কিন্তু ভেবে ভেবে ওটাকে চেষ্টা করতে হবে অঙ্ক তৈরি করার, সেটা সলিউশন করার। আমি অথেন্টিক যে সমস্ত অঙ্কগুলো করাচ্ছি এইগুলো থেকে তোমরা বিভিন্ন টাইপের এই কনসেপশন থেকে প্রবলেম তোমরা সলভ করতে পারবে। You may be solved the different types of problems of joint entrance examinations and IIT and Indian entrances. No problem. So, now, hello dear my friends. Now, I shall end my class because কারণ হচ্ছে তোমরা ফিজিক্স কেমিস্ট্রি সব সাবজেক্ট তো করতে হবে, শুধু অঙ্ক করলে তো হবে না এবং সব বিষয়টাকে তোমাদের খুব আন্তরিকতার সঙ্গে গুরুত্ব দিয়ে দেখতে হবে। বন্ধুরা আবার পরে দেখা হবে এবং তোমরা আমার ক্লাসটা ভালো লাগলে সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে, শেয়ার করবে, সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে, কমেন্ট করবে। কোনো প্রবলেম থাকলে কমেন্ট করে আমাকে জানাবে। আমি বিভিন্ন এক্সারসাইজের উপরে, টপিক্সের উপরে সিরিজ দিতে থাকবো এবং এই সিরিজটা দীর্ঘকাল চলবে, বিভিন্ন সিরিজ। আমি তোমরা যখন 2-3 মাস পরে অঙ্কে তটস্থ হয়ে যাবে, আমি সিস্টেমটা একটু চেঞ্জ করে জয়েন্টের মতো শর্ট টেকনিকে করাবো। এখানেই বন্ধুরা আমি সমাপ্ত করলাম।